Hello YouTube, today we will be solving the issue on not being able to use the search function on Windows 10. Windows Search is a very convenient function that you use to find programs that you want to run immediately. However, this function does corrupt once in a blue moon, so this is how I restored my search function on my Windows 10. As you can see from the window, I'm having trouble running the search functionality on my OS. To start repairing the search functionality, we hit the Ctrl-Alt-Delete to access the Task Manager function. Next, we go to File and click on Run a new task. Type in PowerShell and make sure Create this task with Administrative Privileges is selected. Once you're in PowerShell, type in the sfc-scannow command. This will kickstart the process to repair the corrupted Windows function file. The process will take a while, so we should let the process to complete. So once the first command is completed, we should proceed with the second command, which is the dism /online/cleanup-image and /restorehealth. You will need to make sure that you have access to the internet, as your Windows will be downloading some images from Microsoft server for recovery. So the whole process should take around 20 minutes to 1 hour depending on your internet speed. You should not interrupt the process by any means. The restore process should start automatically once the download has been completed, so you do not need to do anything. Once the operation has been completed, do a FSC scannow again. Proceed with a restart after you have completed with the last FSC scan. Your search function should return to its normal operation after your restart. I hope that the video has been informational to you. Thank you and have a nice day.